This is the Hall of Mosses Trail in the whole rainforest. They get 137 or more inches of rain per year, which I thought was an interesting contrast to Lima, Peru, which gets 7 millimeters of rain per year. That is a big tree. It's a good example of a nurse log where these other things are growing out of it as it fell in the forest and became food and shelter for other seeds, plants. Quite the nurse log. Very long.
Probably not that big. Spanish moss, maybe moss.
There's a lot of it on that tree, isn't there?
It's like a fur coat.
Yeah, it's covered.
It's just crazy. You can really make it all the way through.
Some pretty clear water flowing through there. And it's beautiful path. Peaceful little spot. Walk up there, Allison, so I can get your height perspective. That's quite the nurse log, isn't it?
Wow, look at that.
Dangerous, don't climb it. Yeah. Can't climb this way. You get it?
Yeah. I got screensaver. Just a little soothing sound. That's quite the nurse log. And that's a lot of driftwood. Just to give you an idea the size of this driftwood. The ocean pushes quite a bit in here, as you can imagine. After leaving werewolf territory in La Push, we went to Forks to vampire territory.